Hello everyone, today we're gonna be unboxing and testing my new e-bike, the Puckipuppy Hummingbird. Go ahead and unbox this. Here's your pedal, here's your headlight, a set of Allen wrench, two set of wrench, some extra parts for your brakes, some zip ties to organize your wires. Here's your adapter for your charger, user's manual. Here's the cushioned saddle seat with airstrip design in the middle. There's also a reflector at the back for safety. For buying their product, they also included their free tire pump. Here's the kickstand, but it's missing a screw to attach it. The front tire is not installed for easy packaging. This is a fat tire 20 by 4 inches. The saddle post is a bit too long for my height even when I push it all the way down, which is not recommended because it gets in contact with the shock absorber underneath. So I went to the repair shop and have it shortened. Two screws are also missing when they delivered it, so the local repair shop also gave me freebie screws to attach my kickstand. After contacting the seller about the missing screws, they said they will send me the missing screws for my e-bike. This bike has a 7-speed Shimano shifter. Here's the button to increase the gear. The handle is made with rubber material with grid textures. LCD display is 3.15 by 2.36 inches wide. It is also a color display with modernized way to display battery status, speed, total mileage, pedal assist modes, light status, and trip length information. To your left handle, you have 6 controls: the power button, pedal assist mode selectors, light switch, your horn, and thumb throttle. Here's the handle brakes. The seat is large with a nice cushion. They included 2 keys for your battery removal if you prefer bringing it with you when charging. The battery charging port is located on the left side near the handle. Here's the body charging port on the left side with cover if you prefer not to remove the battery. Here's your rear shock absorber. Front fork suspension features a lockout to stop front suspension from compressing with ease. Here's the screw slot for installing your carrier. Fat tire size is 20 by 4, so you'll get a comfortable ride on rough roads. For the front light, there's 2 bright LED lights. I only tested it once around with street lights, but never tested it yet in a pitch black environment yet. The light looks pretty bright to me. If you choose their black color, expect a big branding on the side of the body. The wiring is well organized. Tail light is attached to the bike rack. It is pretty bright at night, and when you hold the brakes, the lower stripe activates. There's also a resemblance to the Wonder Woman logo. The bike is equipped with front and rear mechanical disc brakes. While their responsiveness is not the top tier, it's also from the worst, offering a moderate performance level. This bike of course also comes with a kickstand with a pimple texture at the bottom to prevent it from slipping. Under your seat there's a sticker label that shows you the bike class, motor power, and max speed. The battery is pretty big and it is UL certified Samsung batteries. It comes with 15 amp hours capacity that allows you to ride up to 60 miles on flat roads. After 2 days, I received another package from Puckipuppy with lots of freebies. In the box, there's 1 bike lock, a phone mount, 1 waterproof bike cover, extra screws and cable, 2 side mirrors, a nice front basket with wooden base, and bottle drink holder, and it is adjustable to fit your container. Now let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. Tested it around for 28 miles using pedal assist and got back with 25% battery left. That 28 miles includes slight climbs and descents. For the accessory, I bought a bike rack bag so I can carry my drone with me all the time. My Mavic Air 2S and the controller fits perfectly. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description and comment section. So far, I'm very happy with this purchase, quality, build, and great value. The only hassle is the missing screws for my kickstand and the long saddle post, which is just for me because I needed the seat to be lowered all the way down. For the missing screws, they sent me a replacement right away when I contact them. This e-bike has a lot of power when you press the thumb throttle. It has a sudden acceleration, and I'm not sure if you can customize it for smoother acceleration. Riding in rough road with its 20 by 4 inches fat tire gives you a comfy ride with the help of the front and rear suspension. So if you want to check this bike, I will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.